Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about getting getters and setters. So we have these items in this dictionary. So let's dive in. Data is equal input function. Enter your item. And then price is equal pharmacy prices dot get data comma not available and then a print price. Okay, python.py. Item is omega 3 45. So let's run again. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 not available. So what this is code? So get taken two arguments, key and value. So key is mandatory, value is optional. So you must write key. The default value is none. So if I delete this, okay, I will delete not available and run again. 555 none. The default value is none. If don't find key will print not available or none when not right things. So I have another example. Is not okay. I will return not available. I will use another satisfied. Set default. Okay. So what's the difference between get and set default? The difference is I also get two arguments. So key is mandatory, value is optional, the default value is none. So if don't find key will print not available or none when not right thing. If don't find key will add key in dictionary with its value. So that's difference between them. So now I have another example. I have this dictionary, this big dictionary. I will input data. So to input item and then a price. So price is equal inventory dot get input data key and value is not valid, not available. And then I will get the price dot get price and then also not available, and then I will print price. Okay, the item is zinc 50. Okay, the another thing is 1 2 3 4. Don't print zinc. Why? Because the get run with dictionary, so don't find 1 2 3. So not available is not dictionary. So now I will print empty dictionary, and then again 1 2 3 4, not available. Okay, and I will say goodbye.